2023 Kia Sportage. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change reminder light. So down here on the steering wheel, we're going to go through the options here. We're going to go over the little star wheel. Then we're going to use the up and the down here. And we're going to go through to, where is it? I believe it's convenience. And then we're going to go to service interval. And we're going to press in on this. Oh. And then we're going to go to adjust, reset time and distance, yes, press in again, and then again, reset time and distance, we'll press yes. Oh, and that's it. It should be it. Yeah, so we're at 6,000 kilometers or 182 days. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.